Hello friends. Nowadays, if we go to any party, we are sure to see big bottles of cold drinks awaiting us. We can't think of living a day without this spiceful thing. Many people don't know about the disadvantages of this boisterous cold drink. So, we the children of Chaitram are here to highlight the deadly disadvantages of this cold drink. We need to quench our thirst. We are human and we need refreshments. What to do? We need an answer to this. So let us go back a century ago in this very country and see what used to happen. The tiny tots of that time, who were actually our forefathers, used to drink sharbats, lassi, coconut juice, fruit juice, milkshakes, etc. We can do that even today in this 21st century. In place of Coca-Cola, we can have blackcurrant juice. In place of Fanta, we can have orange juice. And in place of Limca, we can have lemonade. It's as simple as this.
Meghna, what can we do to spread awareness among them?
Harna, see, there are some people. We can have interview with them.
Do you consume soft drinks? And do you ever read these ingredients written on the back of the soft drinks?
Sometimes I do, sometimes I do.
So do you know about the harmful effect of these ingredients?
No, we don't know what are the harmful effects.
If you read the ingredients, so have you taken any initiative to reduce this consumption of the soft drinks?
We don't know what are the harmful effects.
So you can come with us, we will show you.
To see what students are showcasing in the form of test in public. The students are applying tests for acids, glucose and sucrose. And the results are
The basic color of the soft drink, then we add certain chemicals to it. When we add blue litmus to the soft drink, the color changes to red. And when we add Benedict solution to the soft drink, the color becomes yellowish.
Chocolate, one is chocolate.
so you can see that you are taking in these three harmful components giving to your children too, and this is making your body cold but not cold. So now you can see, now I hope you understood that you will not give the soft drinks to your children.
Definitely.
Calculated the amount of soft drinks consumed by each person per day. It has been found that there is 2.89 grams of sugar and 0.12 grams of caffeine in 1 ml of soft drink, which is 40 grams for sugar and 0.30 grams for caffeine. This exceeding of limit can cause fatigue, depression, tooth animal problems, etc.